Elevate your knowledge, elevate your career, at an affordable price. Overview of Anti-Bribery Management System ISO 37001. ISO 37001 is an international standard for anti-bribery management systems, ABMS. It provides a framework for organizations to prevent, detect, and respond to bribery and corruption. The purpose of ISO 37001 is to help organizations: 1. Prevent bribery and corruption. 2. Detect and report bribery and corruption. 3. Respond to bribery and corruption incidents. 4. Continuously improve their anti-bribery management system. Key components of ISO 37001. 1. Leadership and commitment. Top management must demonstrate a commitment to preventing bribery and corruption. 2. Risk assessment. Organizations must conduct a risk assessment to identify areas vulnerable to bribery and corruption. 3. Policies and procedures. Organizations must establish policies and procedures to prevent bribery and corruption. 4. Training and awareness. Organizations must provide training and awareness programs for employees and relevant stakeholders. 5. Due diligence. Organizations must conduct due diligence on partners, suppliers, and other relevant stakeholders. 6. Reporting and investigation. Organizations must establish a reporting mechanism for bribery and corruption incidents and conduct investigations. 7. Continuous improvement. Organizations must continually review and improve their anti-bribery management system. Benefits of ISO 37001 certification. 1. Demonstrated commitment. Certification demonstrates an organization's commitment to preventing bribery and corruption. 2. Improved reputation. Certification can enhance an organization's reputation and credibility. 3. Reduced risk. Certification can help reduce the risk of bribery and corruption. 4. Compliance. Certification can help organizations comply with anti-bribery laws and regulations. 5. Improved governance. Certification can help organizations improve their governance and internal controls. Who can implement ISO 37001? 1. Private companies. 2. Public companies. 3. Government agencies. 4. Nonprofit organizations. 5. Small and medium-sized enterprises. Objectives for implementing ISO 37001. Policy against corruption. Management direction. Commitment and accountability. Controls and training for employees. Risk assessments. Project and business partner due diligence. Controls over finances, commerce, and contracts. Monitoring, reports, inquiry, and review. Corrective activity, as well as continuous enhancement. Advantages of ISO 37001 certification. 1. Encourage trust and confidence. 2. Protect the organization's image. 3. Avoid unnecessary costs. 4. Bribery must be avoided, detected, and addressed. Establish. ISO recommends organizations to have an independent compliance manager either appointed from third parties or internally to be responsible for implementing an anti-bribery management system. Compliance managers work with business professionals to make sure that standards and regulations are followed. Develop. As a part of ISO 37001, many controls should be implemented to mitigate any corruption risk and monitor violations within the organizations. Review risk should be assessed and categorized based on their threat level so they can be tackled effectively. If the corruption risk is low, it needs to be monitored since small, repeated corruption activities could be disastrous for an organization. Adoption. The anti-bribery management policy needs to be flexible enough to adopt the changes in compliance regulation. The success of adopting the changes can be measured when there is a reduction in corruption activities and better control measures in violation. There is including a total of 9 interactive online sessions for this ISO 37001 Lead Auditor training. Session 1, Overview of Course and Standard. Session 2, ISO 37001 Requirements. Session 3, Risk Management. Session 4, Documented Information. Session 5, ISO 37001 Internal Audit Process. Session 6, Audit Terms and Definitions and Roles and Responsibilities. Session 7, Performing an Audit. Session 8, Nonconformity and Corrective Action. Session 9, Climate Action Changes, New Amendments, 2024. Each online session includes video tutorials with expert training, handouts in PDF format, sessions, and final exams. After completing the training, the globally recognized certificate will be issued. Course objectives. Familiarize yourself with ISO 37001. Familiarize yourself with ISO 37001 requirements in detail. Know about the resource requirements and process requirements. Understand the documentation required by ISO 37001. Understand documentation and list of procedures to be maintained, and to check them as lead auditor. Get the knowledge of internal auditing and use of audit checklist. Know about the types of auditing and questioning techniques. Familiarize yourself with principles and implementation of ISO 37001 lead audit programs in detail. Get the ready-to-use audit checklist with clause-wise questions to perform an effective audit. These are the dominant features of this online course, which is cost and time efficient, fast and effective, and offers convenient and flexible training that can be accessed from anywhere and anytime. Who should attend this course? Any working professional, any graduate, undergraduate, management student, entrepreneur, quality manager, technical manager, etc. are eligible to attend this certified ISO 37001 auditor training. Get certified, achieve ISO 37001 certification, and demonstrate your commitment to anti-bribery practices.